These AI miniature object unboxing videos are taking over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram right now, with some pulling in millions of views. And the best part? I created this one in less than 2 minutes using completely free AI tools. Let me show you exactly how. First, you'll need my master prompt, which is linked in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're there, switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select Omni Flash as the video model. Then set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Next, find the designated object section inside the prompt. This is where you can customize the video with any object you want. For this example, I'm using a smartwatch, but you can generate miniature unboxing videos for phones, cameras, sneakers, gaming consoles, jewelry, cars, and almost anything else. Once you've entered your object, click Generate and let Google Flow AI do the work. In just a few minutes, your AI miniature object unboxing video will be ready. Now let's watch the final result together. As you can see, you can create unlimited variations simply by changing the object in the prompt, making this an incredible niche for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even long-form content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to Reavron for more free AI tutorials and the latest viral AI video niches. I'll see you in the next one.